Hello, in front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the application, tap on the device icon and here you should see your Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro on the device page. Now scroll down, find the button called Unpair, and once you find it, tap on it. Then tap on Continue. Watch will disappear from the device page. You can close the app. Now, just in case, you can check the Bluetooth settings on your phone. So let's open the settings. Connected devices or Bluetooth. And here you can check if the Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro is on the list of previously connected devices. If it was, you can tap on the settings icon and then forget and confirm to remove it. But as you can see on my phone, it's not here. So we can close the settings, and as you can see, the watch started resetting itself to the factory default settings. And after it's done, you will see the let's go message or welcome message on it. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.